Everyone, this is Keisha Vlogs, a Filipino actor based here in Jeddah, Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, agad-agad gawa natin ito ng reaction of video. Ang Alden Richards and Catherine Bernardo may natutunan sa isa't isa pagdating sa buhay. So this is an interview in 24 oras. So I won't take any longer. Let's all watch this. Ano yung natutunan nila? Excited akong malaman kung ano yun.
1 week to go na lang at magkakaalaman na.
Uy, malapit.
Pakikiligin o
Papaiyakin.
tayo ng pelikula
Wala talaga
ni
tayong idea,
Alden
right?
Richards at Catherine Bernardo. Pero bago yan, ikinuwento muna ng dalawa sa GMA Integrated News interviews ang lessons na natutunan
Lessons.
sa buhay, pati
I
na
wanna
rin
watch
sa
this.
isa't isa. Makichika
Ano kayang
ngayong
lesson?
weekend.
Ano kayang natutunan nila for today's video? Ganda ni Kat. Ibang-iba na talaga ang aura ni Kat.
Warm kapuso, welcome ang muling natanggap ni Catherine Bernardo.
Gwapo ni Alden. Wait lang, parang pumayat si Alden.
Welcoming committee mula sa GMA Integrated News. Sinamahan pa ni Alden Richards.
Catherine, hindi alam ng marami na for a while, di ba, you did a project with GMA.
Yes, Endless Love.
Gumanap si Catherine sa 2010 series ni Dingdong Dantes at Marian Rivera, kung saan gumanap siya bilang Young Jenny.
Young Jenny?
Kapuso Primetime
Ay, kay Christopher
Queen.
Martin.
I think if I remember it correctly, I was 13 or 14.
13.
Ang galing, kasi this is my first time here. Lahat sila, grabe mag-welcome every time pupunta ako dito sa GMA. Ang warm lahat ng tao dito. And ang sarap sa pakiramdam.
Sa pagbabalik niya sa GMA, ibang-iba na si Catherine. Matured and full of wisdom. Lahat daw ng ito nagmula sa mga pagsubok na hinarap niya sa nagdaang taon.
Ang daming lessons. So it's about
What is the lesson?
Self-love, of course.
Oh, self-love.
It's about
Actually, kitang-kita ko talaga the true definition talaga ng self-love is nasa kay Catherine and also Kim Chiu. Yung tipong alam mo yung parang nalaman talaga nila kung anong worth nila sa buhay. Nalaman talaga nila na parang hindi lang lalaki ang nagpapasaya sa akin. Something like that. Kasi naman, devastating talagang nangyari sa kanila. It's just like, nag-invest sila, nagbuo sila ng foundation together with their ex-boyfriends and now gumuho lang siya because of several reasons or something like that. Hindi naman natin alam kung anong totoong reason. Pero, look at her. 'Di ba? Parang alam mo yung tumayo talaga siya sa sarili niyang paa. Yung pinakita niya talaga sa tao na kaya ko to, kakayanin ko to. And yeah, ngayon, happy siya. Makikita mo talaga na, alam mo yung smile niya, yung aura niya, yung the way siya mag-perform, and hindi siya yung tipong, alam mo, yung nalosyang and everything. Catherine Bernardo, everyone.
finding a different meaning of love.
Finding
talking
different
about
meaning
friends,
of love.
talking about
I love
family.
that.
And siguro, the biggest lesson na natutunan
I love
ko,
that.
you have to make time for the things that matter.
To make time the things that matter.
Natutunan
Indeed.
ko how to make time or how to take a pause.
A future with no goodbyes.
May mga naituro ba si Alden sa kanya?
Ano?
Lalo't mas
Oh my God, ano ang ituro ni Tisoy? Charis,
Matapos nilang gawin ang
let me know ano ang naturo ni Tisoy for today's video.
It's just amazing because hindi lahat kaya. Hindi ko kaya kung paano yung ginagawa niya. So minsan pag napapagod ako, tapos titingnan ko siya, iisipin ko, eto nga, hindi nagre-reklamo.
Ay, talaga?
Pag kailangan mo ng advice, you just talk to him. And then,
So magte-text ka lang sa kanya.
Advisor naman pala.
hindi ako nahihiyang magtanong sa kanya. Like, hindi ko kailangan i-filter yung mga questions ko because I know na hindi siya ma-offend also.
And comfortable ka na sa kanya, ganun yun.
Admitted that
Alam
he
mo,
is a change.
meaning to say, komportable na talaga sila sa isa't isa. Kasi doon pa lang sa, di ba? Doon pa lang sa tatawagin niyang Tisoy. Di ba? Hindi ko naman sinasabing hindi yun professional, di ba? Pero kung pagdating lang, kung work and work lang talaga, he shouldn't call Alden as Tisoy. Pero kasi komportable na sila sa isa't isa. And hindi natin alam kung ano talaga nangyari sa Canada. Di ba? Siyempre, of course, magkukwentuhan talaga yan sila. Di ba? Hindi naman puro work lang doon. Magkukwentuhan talaga yan sila kung anong mga ganong bagay-bagay and mga plans nila in life.
Change to man.
One thing that she made me realize is
Ano?
uh,
Ano?
don't take life too seriously.
Don't take life.
Yun
Oh, kasi workaholic to eh.
realize sa kanya, you know, it's okay to say no at times. You value
Mm-mm.
time for yourself.
Ay, si
time for your
Catherine.
loved
Ito
ones.
talaga yung gusto ko kay Kate.
Everything one day at
Kung tititigan niya talaga si
being a
ano.
superhero.
Kung tititigan niya talaga si
One battle at a time.
one battle at a
Sa aming
time.
usapan, ikinwento ni Kat na nakakaramdam pa rin siya ng pressure sa araw-araw dahil sa
Oh.
tagumpay na tinatamasa ng kanyang karera.
It's just hard.
The social media.
Mahirap din kasi
Yeah, I think
namnami.
the
I mean,
social media
pwede naman namnamin, pero
it's
pag masanay ka kasi na bongga ang career mo,
Yeah.
pressure ka na paano ko to higitan pa.
under pressure. Lahat naman may good and bad side. Maybe it's just hard for our job because when you do something right, people will praise you. But when we do something bad, people will bash you twice as much. So, ang hirap sigurong matuto kasi lahat ng tao inihintay lang yung magkamali ka.
Exactly.
Mm-mm.
And kung normal na tao, hindi naman ganun yan, di ba po? But then again, we're public figures and we chose this job. So at the end of the day, it's having the right mindset. It's being grateful for everything.
Dahil isang linggo na lang at mapapanood na sa big screen ang continuation ng love story ni na Joy at Ethan. Excited pero kinakabahan daw ang dalawa.
It's easy to ship you. Kasi, of course, you have a movie, and may love team kayo. And of course, a lot of fans, alam natin, goes overboard. Na pati yung personal life nyo, nagko-comment.
True.
How do you feel about that?
That can't be helped eh. Kumbaga nga, di ba, pag umorder ka sa fast food, kasama sa budget meal, kasama siya sa package. I think
Kasama
Kat
siya sa-
also agrees with me na the reason why we chose to stay here is because we always want to see the goodness that we can do for other people more than the negatives.
True.
Has always something to say. And the least you could do, do it for yourself, is to not be bothered by these things that they say.
Mm-hmm.
No, not at all.
Unbothered king naman pala ang peg. I love that.
Not at all. Kasi baka kung pinatulan ko lahat ng mga negatives of the social media and the bad things that people say about me, baka matagal na ako wala.
Mm.
You
busy naman siya sa business niya kasi. Ganun.
Of course, tao lang din tayo. Darating yung time na we'll get fed up, mapapagod. You always go back. Ba't
Truly.
ako nagsimula?
Kulit agree mo.
Go back to that. Bakit ba ako nagsimula? Para kanino ba to? I guess it's the genuinity of the relationship. I think yun yung
Genuinity
isa sa mga
of relationship.
I look forward all the time with Kath.
Ang ganda ni Kat.
Can you qualify? What kind of relationship is that?
Ang kabuuang detalye
Saan?
abangan sa part 2 ng aming
Ay, may part 2 pa pala.
interview
May
bukas.
part 2 pa bukas.
Canlas updated sa
Iba talaga si Sir
showtime.
Nelson Canlas. Alright, there you go guys. That is our for today's video. The interview of Alden Richard and Catherine Bernardo sa 24 oras. Excited ako. Mamaya na ata ang part 2 nito. So this is KJ Vlogs and see you on my next vlog. Bye!